YouTube, whatever. It's your boy Baby Crockett, man. First thing I want to say is Happy New Year to all my subscribers. I really hope you guys have a blessed year, a productive year, and many blessings for you guys, man. All right, YouTube. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to find your angles. I made a video telling you guys different ways to find your angles, and I said the best way to find your angles is when you're washing your hair. And the reason why that is the best way to find your angles is when you're washing your hair is because you get the shampoo in and you can actually see where the brush stroke ends and where it should begin. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a full tutorial on how to brush 720 waves using the shampoo method, man. So let's get into it. All right, YouTube. So the shampoo I'm going to be using is the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo. Let me show you guys this if you haven't seen it before. This is one of my favorites right here. This is going to be a full length tutorial, man. So I'm not going to do a lot of editing on this. Just gonna show you guys how to find your angles, man. So first thing we want to do is put the shampoo in your head. So let's do it. This right here is what the brush I like to use. This is a Conair hard brush. Alright, let's start with that right side. So I like to go straight down at this angle. And you see when I get to that ear right there, I like to kind of go at a downward motion. Another tip for you guys, man, when you're washing your hair, this is the best time to knock out forks. The best. We're going straight down at this angle right here. And when we get to the behind the ear, we like to start our back slant, but we're not there yet, so just all right. So now we're going to start that back angle. And this right here is a swoop back going this way. I start a vertical at that angle too. So it's a downward and a straight across. Downward, straight across. And I always go back over where I started. Always go back over where I started. Next thing we do, you see that? You see that? That lets me know that's where my angle needs to start. If I go here, and this is gonna show you every single time. The brush strokes, wherever you stop, it's gonna let you know where you need to begin. So if I stop there, that's letting me know that I need to finish. So we're gonna do that. Put a little bit of water on the brush. Make sure it's cold water too. You don't want to be using hot, so you want to keep your bristles as firm as possible. So you want to keep it as firm as possible. So let's do a quick recap. So we started with our right side. Just like this. So you see the right, see the shampoo. So if we stopped here, this is gonna let us know that we need to go this way. So boom, we're going this way. And now our new angle is there. So it's here. That's just the bottom of our back. That's just the bottom of our back. So we need to keep going. So now I'm gonna bring it over here. Y'all see that? So now my next angle is here, going upward. Since I've already did this right here, So I've already done this. Now I'm at this angle, so it's now coming, because we don't want to overlap. So another thing I like to do is open up my crown first. It makes it a lot easier, especially with 720s. Your crown can really disappear on you. So let's find our crown. Alright, so I know my crown is in the middle. So you just play around. It gets difficult when you had a shampoo in anyway, but if I can't find it now, I'll find it once I start brushing. Yeah, once I start brushing, it's hard because it's a lot of white. The shampoo is kind of taking over. So let's get back to brushing. Find these angles. All right. Boom. So let's. Y'all see that? All right, we back. Guess my SD card was full, so I had to delete some stuff. So we back though. All right, so we still at it. So like I said, we here. Boom. And we here. And then we're going right into that crown area. And we take our brush with this hand. That's what I like to do. I like to come across this way. So we still hitting that top. Y'all can see we done already hit a lot of our angles already. So then we come here, come right here. We're gonna finish off that angle. And we'll finish the rest of our top off. So as y'all can see, everything has been brushed, except for this part of my crown that we just come across like this, and we do just like that. So every part of my head has been brushed. So y'all see, now we can start really going in once you figured out the angles. Boom. We just keep it all going. Keep it all going. Make sure you keep that crown open. That's what I like to do. I like to keep it open. So you make sure that top of everything is getting hit. Everything is getting hit. But that's basically how you really find your angles. Like, it's really simple. The 360s, 540s, 720s, it's all the same. It's not the same angles, but the same process, man. You put the shampoo in your head and you brush and you see how the brush stops, goes, all like that, man. It's easy. This right here is my weak side that I've been shifting. Letting you guys see that right now. Really been working it. You can see.
Daddy, I got all these peppers.
I'm doing the video right now. I already told you to not come in here, didn't I? But you don't listen. She don't listen. She don't care. So, yeah. Y'all can see it looks a lot better. keep on brushing. Keep on brushing. And make sure everything is getting covered. So your whole head should be white. At the end, you shouldn't have any places that's dark. You know what I'm saying? Like, it shouldn't be a lot of places that's dark. So just take that and keep that in mind. So I'm gonna add some more shampoo, and we're gonna do it one more time. Now let's go through this one more time. Let y'all see what's up. Let's make this a little bit brighter. Boom, that's good enough. All right, a little water on the brush. All right, so we got our water on the brush. Boom. So this is our right side. We can even brush it this way. Look, we can even brush it this way. Y'all see that? Y'all see this right here? So boom, come back. We're going all the way around our head. All the way, because we want this to be vertical. So boom, then we come right here with it. Just like that. Boom. We go up a little bit higher. We're getting our swoop on. And so now you see we need this angle right here. Boom. So we coming. Bang. You're right back at it. You're right back at it. That's pretty much it, man. Really just wanted to show you guys how you do it. Just follow your head all the way around. Once you've done that, you solid. Just keep on brushing. So I know this is probably a long video, but I hope you guys watched it to the end, because it's really easy to find your angles. Wherever your weak area is, you just focus on that. But yeah, man, that's how you find your angles, man, doing the shampoo method. Well, that's basically what it's called, the shampoo method, man. You just put the shampoo in and start brushing your angles, and it'll let you know if you are brushing correct or if you're brushing incorrect. So, man, I hope this video helps somebody out, man. I hope this helps you find your angles the correct way. Y'all already know, man, like, subscribe. And I'm about to finish up this session, man. Clean all this up. And I might do a nah, I ain't doing no unrag, man. This video long enough. But like, comment, subscribe. Baby Crockett signing out. Happy New Year.